Good morning, fellow traders. Today I'm thrilled to walk you through my daily routine, designed to optimize trading success. Let's jump right in. Each day around 8 a.m. EST, I kick off my trading journey by firing up my computer and diving into my go-to platforms, Trade Ideas and Cobra DS. But before delving into stocks, I make a crucial stop at FinViz to scan the economic calendar for any impactful news on the horizon. If there's a potential market mover, I jot down the event's time and ensure I steer clear of open positions during that period. Preparation is key in navigating volatile market conditions. Next up, I unleash the power of gap scanners on Trade Ideas to pinpoint potential trading opportunities. My focus? Stocks exhibiting a minimum 2% gap up or down. Once identified, I transition to analyzing their daily and weekly charts. This step is crucial. I meticulously examine the trends, support and resistance levels, while also assessing if the gap has any significant catalyst behind it. Afterward, I mark key levels on the charts, including pre-market highs and lows, yesterday's close and highs and lows from the previous 2 days. This helps me gauge whether a stock is trading within a range or breaking out. In addition to individual stocks, I keep a close eye on broader market indices like SPY and QQQ to gauge overall market sentiment and direction. Finally, armed with all this information, I craft my trade plan, incorporating if-then analysis to adapt to various market scenarios. While I primarily trade in the direction of the gap-and-go strategy, I also capitalize on opportunities presented by extended stocks aiming to close the gap. And there you have it, my comprehensive trading routine to start the day on the right foot. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll delve into real-life examples of executing the gap-and-go and gap-closing strategies. Happy trading!